Sup dudes, and oh lord, it's a dog ramp. This is gonna be a post-project build video, which means it could be shaky and freeze-framey, as evidenced here. So say you got an old dog, or a little dog, or a lazy dog. Either way, they can't handle big drops off your deck or stairs without tumbling down them. So you need a dog ramp. And you don't want a complicated solution or one that costs $1 billion. So here's my material list. Take a look if you freeze it if you need to. It's a bunch of wood, it's subtraction material, screws, and string lights if you want to bling it out. Make sure all your stuff is outdoor rated. Using current prices, I came up with about 87 bucks. Not too bad for something that's going to keep your dog safe. So the two variability factors here is how tall your ramp needs to be or coming from, and how big your dog is. So using my small dog that only needs about 2 feet of walking space, that's why I used the 12-foot 2x4 links coming down the stairs at an angle, and then the 2-foot walking surface was able to just take up one 4x8 sheet of plywood for the flat walking surface, and then just using the remaining 2x4s as supports going down every 4 feet or so. And then some 3-foot-ish long legs coming down at the midpoint to support that 12-foot section. The bonus is you get a nice Easter egg hiding spot at the end of this. Okay, don't eat leftover candy. Moving on to some safety features, you're going to want a shoulder height guardrail for your dog going down the length of the ramp so they don't get tripped or fall off. So adjust that height to fit your dog, and that's where I use these 1" by 2" kind of sticks. They're very cheap, so use as much as you need to keep that puppy in place. Near the end, I just kind of ended it on one side so they can have a way to jump off onto the grass like you see here. The other thing to think about safety-wise is making sure you have some type of traction control on those planks. You don't want a playground slip and slide situation on your deck, so what we used here are these rubberized interlocking tiles, and they worked really well just nailing them straight down to the plank. Another thing to think about is lighting. I know it sounds weird, but if your dog is a night pooper, you don't want poop and slipping and sliding happening at night while you're asleep. So we hooked ours up with a timer switch. It worked pretty well and works out itself. We tried one of those little solar lights. It didn't work very well. That died after like a day. So I recommend some cheap Christmas lights. It will provide enough light to go by and get back to. And that's it. Hopefully this helped you out. Thanks for watching, and tell your dog I said, "Oh, you're a good dog. You are, you good."